Edifier has announced a new desktop speaker, the S260, which goes on sale in China today for 1,059 yuan, roughly $156. The pitch here is pretty straightforward. It's a speaker that looks like a piece of vintage hi-fi equipment, but includes current wireless standards like AirPlay 2 and LDC support. Physically, the S260 leans heavily into an older aesthetic. The cabinet is made from medium-density fiberboard, MDF, to help reduce acoustic resonance, paired with an 18mm thick front baffle and a woven grille. On top, there is a CNC machined aluminum control panel that includes physical mechanical toggle switches and metal knobs for adjusting volume and playback. It's a fairly heavy unit, weighing in at 4.07 kilograms, about 9 pounds. You can get it in 3 colors: black walnut, pearl white, and warm brown. Inside the cabinet, the hardware is standard for a modern desktop setup. It uses a 4-inch aluminum diaphragm mid-bass driver alongside two 25-core titanium dome tweeters. According to Edifier, the tweeters can push high frequencies up to 40 kHz, while the woofer handles bass down to 50 Hz. The system is powered by dual Texas Instruments TAS5805 digital amplifiers. It outputs 65 W RMS, with a peak power of 130 W. Edifier also claims a low distortion level of 0.03% and a signal-to-noise ratio of 107 dB/A, with audio processing handled by a built-in DSP chip. The connectivity options are where the speaker becomes more practical for everyday use. It has both high-res audio and high-res audio wireless certifications. It supports the LDC codec, allowing for higher resolution streaming over Bluetooth, up to 990 kbps. It also includes Apple AirPlay 2 support over 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which is useful if you want to stream audio directly from an iPhone or Mac. The Bluetooth 5.4 connection supports dual device pairing, so you can keep a phone and a computer connected at the same time and switch between them. If you prefer to plug things in, the S260 has an AUX analog input and a USB sound card input, making it easy to connect to a PC or a turntable. It also comes with a small remote control and works with Edifier's mobile app, where you can adjust the EQ, switch inputs, and update the firmware.